You're hiking through a storm, your watch face cracks, battery dies, GPS fails, you're lost. But what if I told you there are smartwatches that survive everything: crushing depths, freezing mountains, direct impacts? In this video I tested the most durable military-grade rugged smartwatches, and even a hammer couldn't kill it. Stay tuned, because your next adventure depends on this. Starting at number 1. Suunto Vertical. Suunto made a number of changes to bring the Vertical to a more competitive place, but one area where it truly stands out is how it's constructed. The 49mm body comes in 3 variants, 2 made with stainless steel and 1 titanium, and 2 of which include solar charging. It's also manufactured in Finland from 100% renewable energy, giving it a different level of quality control and customer support. Suunto also offers offline GPS maps that you can download from its app and store on the Vertical's increased 32GB internal storage to plan routes in advance. While the 3D mapping isn't as detailed on the watch face itself, routes are very precise, noting changes in elevation and terrain as you go along. Improved GPS tracking and accuracy add to the overall reliability while using it to track outdoor activity, and there are plenty of sports and exercises to choose from. The challenge is that the software running everything feels slower and less intuitive than what competitors deliver, even with Suunto addressing some of those things with software tweaks. The good news is battery life holds up well despite everything the Vertical can do, lasting past 3 days with GPS always on, and up to 60 days at the most economical feature set. Number 2. Garmin Fenix 7 Pro. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro is a big smartwatch, no matter which size you choose, though take note of the slight differences in name. There are the 42mm Fenix 7S Pro, 47mm Fenix 7 Pro, and 51mm Fenix 7X Pro, all of which offer the same hardware and feature set. That includes a built-in flashlight that can shine white or red, along with smart features switching between them based on how you swing your arm while running. It's a rugged design meeting US military standards with a polymer body and steel or titanium bezels, all tested for thermal, shock and water resistance. It's capable of working in a wide variety of conditions to keep up with any outdoor or indoor adventure. A strong GPS connection certainly helps with the multitude of exercises, training, and workouts available on both the watch and Garmin Connect app. So does a newer heart rate monitor to improve accuracy for health and fitness. While there's no skin temperature sensor to measure any shifts that way, you do get an ECG, electrocardiogram, to check for atrial fibrillation, AFib. Despite all these features, the Fenix 7 Pro offers excellent battery life, lasting between 14 and 37 days per charge based on how you use it. Number 3. Amazfit T-Rex 2. Rugged smartwatches are often more expensive because they cost more to make them more resilient, and that's why a budget option like the Amazfit T-Rex 2 presents as an intriguing choice for tighter budgets. For one, it sports impressive build quality that enables it to handle some punishment and work just fine in a variety of conditions. There are plenty of sports modes to choose from, and effective GPS connectivity to keep tabs on it all outdoors, including the right sensors to track proper metrics along the way. The T-Rex 2 covers a lot of ground, but it requires patience to use because of a clunky app and tracking inaccuracies that pop up. Case in point, it tracks everything from steps to calories, but also sports-centric details like VO2 max, training load, and anaerobics. Take it swimming to measure performance in the water, or on a hike up a mountain. It will stay active in those situations, except it may over or underestimate how fast or far you've gone. Other times it may get it just right. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is larger and thicker than most smartwatches, whereas it's middle of the pack in a list of purely ruggedized models. Its 45mm titanium body and sapphire crystal glass screen combine to make this Samsung's toughest watch so far. Even if it's not the brand's latest model, it is one of the best displays you'll find on any smartwatch, and includes all the bells and whistles you'd expect from Wear OS. That means it has more of functional mix than others in that you can track all sorts of exercises and sports, health data, and work with a wide range of third-party apps. If you want a Spotify playlist to come with you without your phone in tow, it's easy to do here. Number 5. Apple Watch Ultra 2. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 differs from Apple's other smartwatches in various ways, beginning with the titanium frame and sapphire crystal glass, orange action button, and prominent digital crown. On a list of rugged smartwatches here, the Ultra 2 is also the only one with a square display. And naturally, it doesn't work with any Android phones, so this is a purely iOS affair. It's loaded with features, including a rarity with an alert siren capable of hitting 86 decibels. It meets US military standards, yet still has a brighter screen than its predecessor does by hitting a peak brightness of 3000 nits to make it more visible in bright daylight. That's the list 5 rugged beasts that refuse to quit. All product links including the Shockproof cases, screen protectors and chargers are waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you choose your next battle-ready watch, smash that like button, share this with someone who's always breaking their gear, and subscribe because every week we test the toughest tech on the planet. See you in the next one.